Empowering farmers with prosperity. After the launch of the Rs 1010 crore phase of the JICA agriculture project in all 12 districts of Himachal Pradesh in 2021, the process of creating irrigation facilities was initiated in the 306 sub-projects areas by adopting the procedures. Also, the capacity development of the Krishak Vikas Associations was initiated for the formulation of crop diversification plans. As any irrigation sub-project is completed, the activities for the crop diversification are implemented vigorously. This is the key objective of the project for the socio-economic uplift of the farmer families.
तो विकास के लिए प्रदेश सरकार और भारत सरकार का एक बहुत अच्छा ये जो पहल है, इसमें मेन फोकस जो है वो हमारा लगभग 306 गांव के ऊपर जो है वो फसल को व्यवसाय के रूप में स्थापित करने के लिए विभिन्न प्रकार की गतिविधियों को प्लान करना और उनको जो एग्जीक्यूट करना है, और जिसमें के लगभग 296 गांव जो हैं वो बिल्कुल नए हैं और 10 स्कीम्स ऐसी हैं जो IPH विभाग ने बना रखी हैं, उसमें हम एक्सटेंशन की एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे। तो इस तरह से 306 गाँव के लगभग 8000 हेक्टेयर को इस वक्त हम जो है वो टारगेट कर रहे हैं और लगभग 25,000 के आसपास परिवार जो है वो इसमें लाभान्वित होने जा रहे हैं।
The project staff has conducted 287 awareness camps and 383 workshops and trainings of farmers. Also, 887 trainings on farm economy management of farmers have been conducted across various sub-projects in Himachal Pradesh. The crop diversification refers to the shift from the regional dominance of the traditional crops to cultivation of a number of other high-value crops for uplifting socio-economic status of the farming, utilizing various PRA tools like household surveys, focus group discussions in the villages. Farmers in nearly 90% sub-projects have been organized to form the farmers' associations called the KVAs. Micro-plans, called sub-project development plans, include the infrastructure development plan, crop diversification plan, livelihood identification plan, value chain marketing plan, have been completed in nearly 250 sub-project areas by March end in 2024. The JICA agriculture project, during the fourth year of its execution and construction works of irrigation sub-projects, is targeting at implementing crop diversification in 100 sub-project areas and gradually covering all the 296 sub-projects on the turn of the project in 2029. The project management has targeted to bring nearly 6,944 hectare area under vegetable through crop diversification. The JICA agriculture project is using two approaches to implement crop diversification. First is the horizontal diversification. This is expanding the crop base through crop intensification, adding new high-value crops to traditional cropping systems to improve the overall productivity of a farm economy. Second is the vertical diversification approach, which facilitates the post-harvesting and marketing operations through grading, packaging, processing, regional branding, merchandising, or other efforts to enhance the product. During Phase 2 of the JICA agriculture project is adopting 3 tools for implementation of crop diversification, considering household as an entity, targeting formation of the group, and cluster approach for boosting the rural economy. The first tool of crop diversification is the promotion of JICA kitchen gardens to enrich farmers' families with required nutrition. A kitchen garden covers 250 square meters in the vicinity of houses for production of healthy food for their families.
अब हम जो है पोषक सब्जियां सारी घर में उगा रहे हैं। पहले चुकंदर, गोभी वगैरह जो भी पालक बाहर से लाना पड़ता था, गाजर बाहर से लाना, बाजार से लाना पड़ती है, अब घर में इसकी पैदावार कर रहे हैं। जैसे मूली हमने 10,000 की बेचती है। पूरे फायदा ही होता है, भी घाटे का कोई सौदा कुछ भी नहीं है।
In the nutrition garden, the family grows vegetables, condiments, spices, etc. naturally without the use of pesticides to enhance nutrition and balanced diet. During the Rabi 2024 to 2025, as many as 13,703 farming families were supported with kitchen garden vegetable kits covering 260 hectare area in 200 sub-projects. The second tool for executing the crop diversification is JICA vegetable gardens, which are developed in dedicated areas for growing a variety of vegetable crops to fulfill the daily needs local and visiting families. This is to create high standards in sustainable agriculture practices and building rural tourism.
टर्म कॉइन की गई है एग्री इको टूरिज़्म या एग्री टूरिज़्म, तो हम इस दृष्टि से देख रहे हैं कि वीकेंड्स के ऊपर या हॉलीडेज़ में जो अर्बनाइज्ड लोकेलिटीज़ है वहाँ से जो परिवार हैं, माता पिता हैं, वो अपने बच्चों के साथ, बुज़ुर्गों के साथ हमारे इन गांव में भी विज़िट करें और हमारी जो वहाँ की जो ग्रुप है JICA वेजिटेबल गार्डन जो चला रहा है उसके साथ मिलके वो वहाँ पे खाने की वस्तुएं जो वो स्वयं खेत से तोड़े अपने लिए हार्वेस्ट करें, उसकी पेमेंट्स करें, वहाँ गांव के लोगों के साथ फसलों के साथ समय व्यतीत करें, तो एग्री टूरिज़्म भी हो जाएगा, किसान को रोज़गार भी मिल जाएगा और जो अर्बनाइज्ड लोकेलिटीज़ है उनको अच्छा भोजन, स्वस्थ भोजन भी मिल जाएगा जिसकी ट्रेसेबिलिटी उनके सामने ही होगी।
इन गांव वालों से लेते हैं जो मलथेड़ गांव है, वहाँ से सब्जी लेते हैं जी। जिस तरह अभी भी हमने गोभी लाई है, मतलब बंद गोभी लाई है, गाजर है, मतलब मटर है, धनिया है, पालक है, मेथी है। यहाँ 3 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, मतलब 2 लाख रुपए की मतलब FD खोल दिए मैंने, मतलब इसी काम से।
JICA Vegetable Garden is designed and promoted in 0.2 to 0.4 hectare suitable area for the commercial production of selected crops. A total of 23 hectare area has been identified strategically suitable to develop JICA Vegetable Gardens across 12 block project management units during 2024 to 2025. The third tool of the crop diversification is to promote commercial farming activities, providing linkage to flagship or niche farm produce and products. This is termed as Production Management and Value Realization Plan, popularly called PMVRP. The production management involves integration of modern scientific techniques for efficient commercial farming of identified flagship crops with optimum utilization of resources. Make food products with high market demand to secure remunerative prices. The value realization plan includes establishing value chain and market development using packaging, processing, branding, marketing of agricultural produce and products to enhance collective marketing efforts. Farmers are empowered through common interest groups to establish agribusiness entities like Farmer Produce Organization (FPOs), etc., having targeted focus on value addition, market orientation, and drive to establish long-lasting linkages. In the PMVRP initiative, 120 demonstrations were laid out, covering 10 hectare land with flagship crops were cabbage, peas, garlic, etc. during Rabi 2024 to 2025. Organizing 113 farmers to form common interest groups in 16 sub-projects. The project staff has also laid out 45 demonstrations of finger millets for cultivation covering 42.3 hectare area during Kharif 2024 for popularizing the coarse grain as per the policy of the state. The project sourced 8.6 quintal certified seed of finger millet from National Seed Cooperation, which resulted in production of 188.86 quintals of coarse grains. The process will continue. The JICA Agriculture Project has integrated the established agribusiness agencies, including agri-entrepreneurs in vegetable, fruits, dairying, beekeeping, food processing, etc., with the marketing linkages. The project has also supported HP State Agricultural Marketing Board with Rs 31 crore for modernizing 13 agriculture produce marketing yards located near various vegetable growing pockets of the state. To provide seedlings of the high-yielding crop varieties, the JICA Agriculture Project has also established Center of Excellence at Krishi Vigyan Kendra at Bada and Hamirpur district to provide 8 to 10 lakh saplings of vegetable per year. Established in 560 square meter area, it is a state-of-the-art center of excellence for raising vegetables nursery using high technology. The center was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu on August 17 in 2024. Till March 2025, nearly 3 lakh seedlings of various vegetables grown in Rabi and Kharif crops were distributed to farmers. After getting training, the staff of the JICA Agriculture Project has also started the Small Horticulture Empowerment and Promotion Program. Christine S. Schaap, designed by the JICA in Kenya, it is a transformative initiative to shift smallholders, farmers from being mere producers to becoming proactive market participants. Schaap aims to change farmers' mind on marketing from grow and sell to grow to sell. In the JICA Agriculture Project of HP, as many as 279 farmers in 34 sub-project areas have been trained under Schaap initiative. The sub-project of Gadiman Majhoti in Mandi district showcases the flagship crop for pea under the PMVRP.
हमने उसको एक स्टेप आगे ले जाने के लिए परियोजना के दस्तावेजों में जैसे चिन्हित किया हुआ है, वैसे ही जायका के साथ बात करके हमने एक प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो एक्सपीडाइट किया स्टेट के अंदर, मंडी और सोलन ज़िलों में, जिसमें 2000 किसान को टारगेट किया गया। और देहात करके जो एक डिजिटल एग्री मार्केटिंग स्टार्टअप है, उसको जायका इंडिया द्वारा और जायका DX लेबोरेटरीज टोक्यो द्वारा जो है वो हमारे साथ लगाया गया था।
The sub-project has 68 farming families having their Krishak Vikas Association formed in the first quarter of 2022. The rural artisans make weave kiltas for carrying the peas and other vegetables. The kiltas are long baskets weaved with bamboo split sticks. The KV of Siyan Ki Kuhal irrigation sub-project was registered in April 2024, having 168 families. The farmers and women have been trained in establishing kitchen garden, JICA vegetable gardens. They are also growing flagship crops like tomatoes, cauliflowers and peas under PMVRP. The Schaap scheme has also been launched there. The sub-project area of Katli Nala to Nanwan Paplera has started benefiting 34 families.
जी हम जो किचन गार्डन में जैसे सब्जी लगाई होती है, प्याज और लहसुन सब कुछ लगाया होता है, और हम ये सब कुछ उगा रहे हैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से, जैसे हरा धनिया हो गया, पालक हो गया, लहसुन।
The JICA Agriculture Project has erected solar fencing and built 1.4 kilometer farm access road, facilitating accessibility the year around.
परियोजना के तहत सर हमें सोलर फेंसिंग की भी सुविधा उपलब्ध कराई है। इसमें लगभग 50 बीघा के आसपास ज़मीन कवर होती है। समस्या हो रही थी, आतंक था यहाँ पे, स्पेशली सूअर वगैरह का, वो बिल्कुल बंद हो गए हुए हैं।
All activities of crop diversification have already been initiated. The kitchen gardeners of the area have sold nursery of onion for ₹70,000. They are also growing garlic. The KVA has identified red rice as a flagship crop beside tomato, cauliflower and pea. These are the glimpses of the overall farm production activities using crop diversification strategies in the sub-project areas during the Phase 2 of the JICA Agriculture Project. These replicable crop diversification systems are designed for boosting the socio-economic status of farming families for building the economy of the rural Himachal Pradesh.